Platinum Tech's half-inch drive, ratcheting split beam torque wrench features a flexible head that allows up to 15 degrees of flex for improved access. The long 24.2-inch length provides greater leverage and increases torque to easily reach the desired value. The wrench has a range of 50 to 250 foot-pounds that can be set in 5 foot-pound increments and has a torque accuracy of plus or minus 4%. It also meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. The wrench will emit a click that can be heard and felt when the set value is reached. It also comes in a heavy-duty blow-molded storage case with instructions and calibration certificate. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.